Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here with a look at the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman. Today we're diving deep into what makes this budget-friendly phone stand out in a sea of competitors. From its unique design to its solid features, there's a lot to unpack. This budget-friendly phone aims to impress with a unique design and solid features. At first glance, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman catches your eye with its frosty, sleek look. But is it all just for show, or does it have the substance to back it up? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. We'll be exploring every aspect of this device, from its build quality to its user interface. How does it feel in the hand? Is it comfortable for long-term use? These are the questions we'll be answering. Is it a cool contender or is it ice cold? We'll compare it to other smartphones in the same price range to see how it stacks up. Does it offer better value for money? Or are there better options out there? The Tecno Spark 30 Snowman enters a crowded market, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve. With so many budget smartphones available, it needs to offer something special to stand out. We'll be looking at its unique features and seeing if they make a real difference. For starters, the design is quite eye-catching, especially in this price bracket. The frosty finish gives it a premium feel, which is rare for a budget phone, but design isn't everything. We'll also be looking at its durability and build quality. We'll also be checking out the camera, performance, and battery life to see how it stacks up against the competition. How does it perform in real-world scenarios? Can it handle gaming, multitasking, and everyday use without breaking a sweat? And what about the camera? Does it take good photos and videos, or is it just average? Stick around for the full breakdown. We'll be covering everything you need to know about the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman, so you can decide if it's the right phone for you. From its pros and cons to its overall value, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First impressions matter, and when it comes to technology, they can be a game changer. The moment you lay your eyes on a new device, you form an opinion that often sticks. The Tecno Spark 30 Snowman makes a good one. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell that this phone is designed to impress. The phone features a sleek and modern design that belies its budget price point. It's not just about looks, the design is functional too. The smooth lines and minimalist aesthetic make it a joy to behold. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it perfect for one-handed use. Whether you're texting, browsing, or taking photos, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman fits snugly in your hand, reducing the risk of accidental drops. The back panel is where the Snowman name comes into play. This isn't just any ordinary back panel, it's designed to stand out. It has this cool frosted glass finish that feels smooth and premium. The texture is not only pleasing to the touch but also adds a layer of sophistication to the overall design. It's also resistant to fingerprints, which is always a plus. No more constant wiping to keep your phone looking pristine. This feature ensures that your device remains as beautiful as the day you unboxed it. The camera module is neatly integrated into the design, giving it a clean and cohesive look. It doesn't protrude awkwardly, maintaining the phone's sleek profile. Overall, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman is a stylish device that feels great in the hand. It combines aesthetics with functionality, making it a standout choice in its price range. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable smartphone, this device offers a blend of style and substance that's hard to beat. The Tecno Spark 30 Snowman packs a capable camera system for its price. It features a triple camera setup on the rear, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor. This allows for detailed shots with good dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera app is straightforward and easy to use, offering various shooting modes to suit your needs. Portrait mode in particular works well, producing natural-looking bokeh effects. The phone can also record videos at up to 1080p resolution, which is decent for casual users. Section 4. Performance powering through. Under the hood, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman is powered by a capable octa-core processor. This, combined with ample RAM, ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming. Apps launch quickly and there's minimal lag when multitasking. While it's not a gaming powerhouse, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman can handle casual games with ease. The phone's display is also responsive and offers decent color accuracy, making for an enjoyable multimedia experience. Overall, the performance is more than adequate for its price point. Section 5. Battery, long-lasting powerhouse. The Tecno Spark 30. Snowman packs a sizable battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or catching up on social media, the phone's battery will keep you going. The phone also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery if needed. This is a convenient feature, especially for those who are always on the go. Overall, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman offers impressive battery life that won't leave you tethered to a charger. Section 6. Competition, standing out. The budget smartphone market is fiercely competitive, with numerous brands vying for consumer attention. However, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman manages to stand out in this crowded space. It offers a unique design that catches the eye immediately. The capable camera system ensures that users can capture their favorite moments with clarity, and the impressive battery life means the phone can last through a busy day without needing a recharge. All of these features come at an affordable price, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers. When compared to similar models in its price range, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman not only holds its own, but even surpasses some competitors in certain areas. Its performance in day-to-day tasks is smooth, and it handles multitasking with ease, which is not always the case with budget smartphones. One of the standout features of the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman is its sleek design. The frosted glass back panel gives it a premium look and feel that's hard to find in this price bracket. This design choice not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also provides a comfortable grip, making it pleasant to hold and use. The camera performance is also commendable. It delivers detailed shots that capture the essence of the moment, and the video recording capabilities are decent, allowing users to create quality content on the go. Whether it's a scenic landscape or a close-up portrait, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman handles it all with finesse. Overall, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman offers excellent value for money. It combines a stylish design, robust performance, and a feature-rich experience, all at a price that won't break the bank. For those looking for a reliable and attractive budget smartphone, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman is a standout choice that delivers on its promises. Section 7. Verdict, cool features, hot value. So, is the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman worth your hard-earned cash? The answer is a resounding yes. It's a stylish and capable device that offers excellent value for its price. Its unique design, capable camera, smooth performance, and long-lasting battery make it a strong contender in the budget smartphone market. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone that doesn't skimp on features, the Tecno Spark 30 Snowman is definitely worth considering. It's a cool phone with hot value. That's it from me, MKBHD. Peace out.